Hi everyone! In part 2 of our Ayala Mall's guided walking tour, we will explore the rest of the Ayala Footbridge starting here at Greenbelt 5 all the way to Rada Street in Legazpi Village, Makati City. Let's go! This will give you a more idea where this would lead you just in case. This is still a long way to reach the end. Yep. Yep. So that is now the direction going to Paseo de Rojas. Here are the signs. If you want to reach that part or Ayala Avenue, the Ayala Triangle, and the Ayala North Exchange. Okay. In fact, you can now exit here. This is now the Legazpi side. It's a stairs. Otherwise, keep walking. At the end of this long footbridge will also lead you to one of the transportation terminals. It used to be a UV van terminal. If you need to head east or north going home.
Can you just show me?
Here is what it looks like at this point. The Prince Plaza 2 and subway on its right. Okay, this is now the W2 exit heading out to the De La Rosa Street. As well as Gallardo Street, Pereira Street, and Nieva Street. Take this exit if you'd like to head to any of those other areas. Otherwise, you can keep walking by turning right, and these are the other places you will hit. Okay, so if you need to go to the Enterprise Center, this is the path to take. Just go up the stairs instead of going down to your left. There. Okay, let's try to see what this path looks like. Heading out to Paseo de Rojas and the Enterprise Center. This is a quiet part, although there are stores here. They're closed for some reason. So we just passed by the office warehouse, then there's Mercury, and the very closed Macau Imperial Tea. No worries. At this point, there is a designated pedestrian lane. This used to be an exit ramp for cars from the parking lot, but they've since closed it down. I don't know when exactly, but I'm guessing at the start of the pandemic to control the flow of traffic. Once again, we are on a long stretch of corridor. It seems that all the establishments here as well on this side seem to be closed. These are new. They weren't around yet the last time I worked here, which was many years ago, so definitely a lot has changed since back then. Almost all the shops I'm now passing by are new to me at least. But yep, all of them are closed currently. Of this corridor. By now, your landmark to the left would be the Asian Mansion 2. And yep, turning left. There's another flight of stairs going down. Here. Okay, so at the end of this is now the Enterprise Center. Right there. This footbridge will lead you directly to the Enterprise Center. What you're seeing on your left, but also you can go down here and you will find yourself back on the street heading out to Ayala Avenue. You can still walk straight to reach the Paseo side. At this point, I'm not so sure anymore because this in fact is my first time to find myself here. A few years ago, this passageway directly into the Enterprise Center wasn't around yet when I was working here. So it's also my first time to be discovering this place with you. Okay, but as they say, there's a light at the end of the tunnel, and here it is. This is amazing, I must say. Okay, so finally, up ahead is the W4 exit. Finally to Paseo de Rojas. So when you get down or you go down the stairs, it will now lead you out straight ahead. That's the intersection. The cars you see going to the right are along Ayala Avenue. On the corner, you will see Insular Life. That is your main landmark that will signal that you're already on Paseo de Rojas Street. To the left would be De La Rosa Street itself. That is what you'll find when you exit the Paseo de Rojas. W4 stairs up ahead. This is now your main entry and exit point to get off or on this bridge from or to Paseo de Rojas. But there's more. If we go farther, you will still hit the Rufino Street, Makati Medical City, De La Rosa, CP2, I'm not sure what CP2 means, and then the Ayala North Exchange. Let's check. and there's a construction site. That part behind it is still Ayala Avenue. This stretch of road, in fact, here, the vertical one, the horizontal one is the La Rosa Street itself. At least this is a good way to explore this area. If you are unfamiliar with it, as a first-time visitor like myself, I feel like it's also my first time because I haven't been here in ages, since my workplace is now in Ortigas, in Pasig City. Alright, there's another hallway here to the right. I'm going in. There are other people walking as well, so I feel a bit safe. And at least here, there are some establishments that are open, like the one on our right, which is the House of Lasagna. They may be the only establishment on this strip or on this side of the bridge which is open. That's a nice note for you as well if you happen to get hungry doing all this footbridge walking before you decide to get off the bridge and be on your way. Wow. So look here. The pathway splits again. Let's take the lower stairs. Not knowing where this will lead, but okay. It just leads to the same direction. It's just that one is a ramp for whatever reason you need it. Maybe if you have a stroller or something, and this one is regular stairs. So let's take the ramp. That's easier for now. Wow. Okay, so this footbridge really extends all the way to the other side. Alright, but I think for now, let's end it here. At this point, we are now on Rada Street here in Legazpi Village in Makati City. This is what it looks like down on the street. This is still along De La Rosa Street, heading out farther into other sections or areas of Legazpi Village here at the Central Business District of Makati City in Metro Manila. I'm all sweaty now, but that was a good exercise. I did discover and learn something new again today with you, so I'm thankful for that experience. Thank you for joining me as well until all the way to the end of this video. If you did find this video helpful and perhaps a bit enjoyable, but mostly helpful for your new trip here in Makati City, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel to help support me in my continuous journey at content creation, so that I can keep helping you as well as I tour the city and guide you around. So until the next video, thanks for watching. Have a rosy day ahead. Bye!